Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your HP Pavilion 15. In order to factory reset it, go to the settings, then go to the Windows Update, then Advanced Options, and now go to Recovery. Now click on Reset PC. And now you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. So I'm gonna remove everything. And now you can choose whether you want to cloud download, so it will download Windows from the cloud and install it, or local reinstall. I think that the local reinstall takes faster, but the cloud one will install the newest fresh version of Windows automatically, so you don't have to update later. Now you can also click on the change settings, and this is a very important option: clean data. If you are not planning on selling your laptop, and if you are just resetting it for yourself or for your family member, then you can disable that option. But if you're planning on selling your laptop, I suggest you enabling clean data. So it may take hours to reset your PC if that's enabled, but it will make it much harder to recover the files after that. So I'm gonna disable it because I'm resetting it for myself. But if you are planning on selling this laptop, then I suggest enabling that option. Then click on Next. And now click on Reset. Then you'll need to wait a moment. It may actually take a longer while, but after that your device will be reset. So let's just wait. It'll do that in this window, then it will restart your device, start resetting with a black screen. Then it'll also reset again. So I think it will take like 3 times, so it'll be loading from 0 to 100% about 3 times, so it'll take a moment. I'll get back to you when it's done. And as you can see, my laptop is now reset, so I can set it up again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.